So the kitchen originally was a little L. So as you can see,
classic layout.
Huge transformation here. We actually worked with UMI. My wife and I went to their big showroom in Rentham, and we picked, this is quartz, Vicostone.
It looks like a natural marble, which is really nice. I think it's the directional veining that gives that illusion.
Yeah, it's super directional. I think it's the barrel finish. We have a 3-year-old. Quartz just made sense for us. You know, it's very durable.
Yeah.
Could take a beating, which syncs up. That lines up.
And then we worked with Olympia to do the fabrication. So they came out, templated, they handled the fabrication. Super straightforward process.
I mean, you have the overhang here, which can either be used as prep space or like informal dining space. Yeah. The window, I'm so glad that you opted to do it, because the window behind the sink, basically the backsplash window, we'll call it, you're capturing an additional at least 4 inches of counter space. It feels as though it's more substantial than that. You're getting all of this natural light that's just pulling into the space and making, you know, an otherwise smaller cottage feel a lot more expansive.